8851. Sodium-filled valves are advantageous to an aviation engine because they A. Are lighter. B. Dampen valve impact shocks. C. Dissipate heat well. The correct answer is C. Sodium-filled valves are advantageous to an aviation engine because they dissipate heat well. Sodium-filled valves are valves that have a small amount of sodium inside them. Sodium has excellent heat transfer properties, so when the valve heats up during engine operation, the sodium inside absorbs the heat and effectively transfers it away from the valve head. This helps to keep the valve cool and prevents overheating, which is crucial for maintaining proper engine performance and durability. 8852. What type of nuts are used to hold an exhaust system to the cylinders? A. Brass or heat-resistant nuts. B. High-temperature fiber self-locking nuts. C. High-temperature aluminum self-locking nuts. The correct answer is A. The type of nuts used to hold an exhaust system to the cylinders are brass or heat-resistant nuts. The high temperatures generated in the exhaust system require nuts that can withstand the heat without deforming or losing their integrity. Brass or heat-resistant nuts are commonly used because they have good heat resistance properties and can maintain their strength and secure the exhaust system properly. 8853. Repair of exhaust system components? A. Is impossible because the material cannot be identified. B. Must be accomplished by the component manufacturer. C. Is not recommended to be accomplished in the field. The correct answer is C. Repair of exhaust system components is not recommended to be accomplished in the field. Exhaust system components are critical for the safe and efficient operation of the engine, and their repair requires specialized knowledge and equipment. It is generally recommended to have exhaust system repairs performed by qualified technicians or the component manufacturer to ensure proper procedures are followed and the repair is done correctly. 8854. On turbojet-powered airplanes, thrust reversers are capable of producing between A. 35 and 50% of the rated thrust in the reverse direction. B. 35 and 75% of the rated thrust in the reverse direction. C. 35 and 65% of the rated thrust in the reverse direction. The correct answer is A. On turbojet-powered airplanes, thrust reversers are capable of producing between 35 and 50% of the rated thrust in the reverse direction. Thrust reversers are devices used to redirect the thrust produced by jet engines forward, creating a reverse thrust that helps decelerate the aircraft after landing. The amount of reverse thrust generated by the thrust reversers typically ranges between 35% and 50% of the engine's rated thrust, providing effective deceleration capabilities. 8855. On an aircraft that utilizes an exhaust heat exchanger as a source of cabin heat, how should the exhaust system be inspected? A. X-rayed to detect any cracks. B. Hydrostatically tested. C. With the heater air shroud removed. The correct answer is C. On an aircraft that utilizes an exhaust heat exchanger as a source of cabin heat, the exhaust system should be inspected with the heater air shroud removed. The exhaust heat exchanger is a component that transfers heat from the hot exhaust gases to the cabin air to provide heating. To inspect the exhaust system, particularly the heat exchanger, the heater air shroud needs to be removed to gain access to the components and ensure a thorough inspection can be performed.